Most people think getting older makes life harder. But that's only true if you believe the wrong things. There are a few truths about aging that actually make life easier. And once you see them, you stop fighting life and start enjoying it. One of the biggest truths is this: aging slowly frees you from unnecessary pressure. When you're younger, you chase approval, success, and timelines that aren't yours. But as you grow older, you begin to realize something powerful. Most of those expectations never mattered. You care less about proving yourself and more about protecting your peace. And that shift alone makes life feel lighter, calmer, and surprisingly easier. Another truth about getting older is that your definition of success changes. When you're young, success often means more money, more status, more attention. But chasing more quietly exhausts you. As you age, you begin to understand something deeper. Success isn't about accumulation, it's about alignment. You start choosing what fits your life, not what impresses others. You value time over titles, peace over applause, meaning over noise. And when success becomes personal instead of public, pressure fades. You stop running invisible races. You stop comparing timelines. And that freedom, the freedom to live at your own pace, makes life feel calmer, clearer, and genuinely happier. Here's another truth about aging most people don't expect. You stop trying to be liked by everyone. When you're younger, approval feels like safety. You explain yourself, you adjust, you shrink parts of who you are. But over time, you notice something quietly freeing. Not everyone needs to understand you. As you age, you start choosing authenticity over acceptance. You speak more honestly. You say no without guilt. You let go of people who only liked the version of you that was easy to control. And instead of feeling lonely, you feel lighter. Because peace doesn't come from being liked by many. It comes from being real with a few. And that shift alone removes a weight you didn't even realize you were carrying. As you get older, your definition of success begins to change. It stops being about speed, status, or proving something to others. When you're younger, success looks loud, busy, exhausting. But over time, you start valuing something quieter: stability, clarity, enough. You realize that peace is a form of wealth. Having control over your time matters more than impressing people you don't even know well. You stop chasing more and start choosing what actually fits your life. And strangely, that's when success finally feels real. Not because you reached the top, but because you stopped running and found solid ground where you already stand. As you grow older, you stop trying to be understood by everyone. That's a relief. When you're younger, you explain yourself too much. Your choices, your silence, your boundaries. But with time, you realize something important. Not everyone needs an explanation. Some people will misunderstand you no matter what you say. So you stop arguing, stop over-explaining, stop shrinking yourself to stay acceptable. You become comfortable letting people think whatever they want, because your peace is more valuable than their approval. And once you accept that, life becomes lighter, quieter, easier to breathe in. Not because people changed, but because you did. As you get older, you realize not everything deserves a reaction. Some comments are noise. Some opinions are projections. When you were younger, everything felt personal. Every word needed a response. Every slight needed defending. But now, you pause. You ask yourself one question. Does this matter tomorrow? And most of the time, the answer is no. So, you let it pass. You don't explain. You don't correct. You don't chase closure. You protect your energy like it's limited, because it is. Peace doesn't come from winning every moment. It comes from choosing which moments don't get you at all. As time passes, you stop chasing people. Not because you don't care, but because you finally understand. People choose how much effort they give. And you believe them. When someone wants to be in your life, they show up. No confusion, no mixed signals. So you stop over-explaining. You stop waiting. You stop filling silence with excuses for others. You meet people where they meet you. No resentment, no drama, just clarity. And something surprising happens. The right people stay. Everyone else quietly fades away. That's not loss. That's alignment. There comes a moment when you finally realize life isn't asking you to become more. It's asking you to let go. To let go of the version of you that was always proving. Let go of the pressure to keep up with timelines that were never yours. Let go of the quiet fear that says you're running out of time. Because you're not. You're exactly where your life has been leading you all along. The pain taught you what mattered. The waiting slowed you down for a reason. And the silence, that's where you learned to hear yourself. So if things feel lighter now, even a little unfamiliar, that's not emptiness. That's peace, finally making space inside you. Not everything was meant to stay, but everything was meant to shape you.